fresh strawberries are so much sweeter than store-bought strawberries.
You feed your soil feeds your plants, and your plants feed your belly. We want you all to be self-sustainable. You can do this. If I can do this from not knowing hardly anything, y'all can do this. Nice, sweet, juicy strawberries that have so much flavor, and checking my channel out. That's all you gotta do. So hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned. We're gonna show you all how to clean out your strawberry beds. We've had this strawberry bed for going on 6 years now, and it's just gotten overcrowded with strawberry plants. Send off runners. Those are baby plants. Once they're rooted on their own, the runners can actually be cut, but sometimes they get missed and basically make the bed look ugly. They're less productive. So today we're going to show you all how to identify the plants that need to be dug up, broke apart, and we're going to identify where they're going, and then we're going to show you all what to fertilize with. We use all organic fertilizer, so we're going to show you what to fertilize with, how to fertilize. This is what we've got already done. So these, on this side of this bed, from here all the way over to here are the original plants that you can see. Just 6 seasons later, this bed is completely overgrown. And not only does this cause the plants to not do so well, basically overcrowding makes it to where you can't find the fruit that is there. It's hard to pull the weeds because you can't find them. Weeds rob your plants that you're trying to grow its nutrients. And since we're moving these plants around, we've moved all these. This over here all looked like that corner. We left this corner here. You guys, if you don't know how to do this.
This is what we have pulled so far. Strawberries are perennials. You gotta have good soil, because fresh strawberries are so much sweeter than store-bought strawberries.
You feed your soil feeds your plants, and your plants feed your belly. So you want the utmost nutrition in those plants. 6, one on this side. All these are gonna have to be picked this year because they need to focus on the roots. You get these little fine weeds out. These weeds will go to our rabbits or our chickens, and then they will poop, and we use that poop as fertilizer. So now here's what we've done. So here are the fertilizers that we're going to use. This is bone meal, is blood meal. This is what gives you the sweetness. This is what gives your leaves the greenness. Here's something that we add called azomite. It provides soluble potash, calcium, magnesium, and sodium. And this is rock dust, y'all. Okay, so these plants are too close together. They'll crowd each other, they'll get in each other's way. They won't produce a lot of fruit this way. So what you want to do with these is you want to go as deep as you can, get all the roots you can, and just set that aside. We're going to leave this one. See this is part of a runner. I'm gonna get rid of that. You can put it in the bed. Now, see how close that is? This is 2 plants, 2 crowns, one right there, one right there. Pull off all the dead, shake off the dirt so we don't have big holes, and then that's ready to be planted again. In fact, you could probably break all this crap off. In fact, we are gonna do that. See? Perfect. Now we'll finish cleaning all these up all at once before we plant them back. We've got to get them out of the way, then figure out where they're going back, and then put them back. See, 2 crowns. Perfect. 2 plants, independent. This is where you get your best fruit the next year. I just take them and plop them on the ground like that, and most of the dirt will come off the roots. See this? Break them off of that big root. And it's okay, you're not gonna hurt these guys. They've got tons of energy stored up. So you could even get away with taking all this out. They're dead. Well, almost dead, but you can do that and that plant be completely fine and it survive. It's got its own roots. See? Perfect. And it's even got more baby roots coming out. These plants know exactly what time of year it is. We'll just cover them up with blankets if we have to. Yeah, there's a couple of them there. So let's just pull them all and then we'll figure out where they're gonna go back. This corner was super populated. We're just gonna take them all out now and clean them up, flatten it all back out. This is the grub worm. Oh. This is a good opportunity also to get rid of these guys. So I just take their head, pop it off like this. Look at all that, yummy. And then throw it back in the dirt. Also, it's a good time to observe all the worms that you have. Worms are great for your garden. When your plants need it, they'll find it. I'm gonna cover this up. Just kind of rub it lightly. Then when we water it in, this is soaked down into the soil, and then the roots, when they get big enough, will go down into the soil and then get it. So you just kind of swish it around a little bit. Get these fertilized, get these watered in, and I just wanted to show you all what's up. Now stay tuned for the results of all this. It's gonna be awesome, y'all. So check it out. We've got many, many strawberries. We're talking like crates and crates of strawberries. Nice, sweet, juicy strawberries that have so much flavor, while the stores were selling them for what was it, like $6.30?
It was 5 something for the little ones and almost 9 for the big container.
We get it from the garden. We want you all to be self-sustainable. You can do this. So hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned. Comment if you want to see other things that I'm doing. Let me know that too. Here on the homestead, we want to do for ourselves. We don't have to worry about pesticides. We don't have to worry about fertilizers. We don't have to worry about what they're going to charge. If you want that, stay tuned.